Hey guys, it's time to put the Christmas tree up, but first we need to put the stand up. This thing is older than me. This has been in my family since, I don't know, before I was born. And now I have it, so tree's gonna go over there in the corner. Ziggy, 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 ziggy. Schnippets. Smells like a Christmas tree. It's not a Clark W. Griswold tree, but it'll do. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. How's it look? And he's playing with the rope. All right, they say that a Christmas tree is thirsty. Not you, Zeke. The Christmas tree is thirsty. So when you first cut it, it can drink up to a gallon of water in the first day. So let's give that water to the tree. They say. They. Yeah, this is good. We don't need like a ton. Like, this is good. Here, wrap them around again.
Big jolly deck
the halls with boughs of holly.
What's a bough of holly?
I don't know. Isn't it like you're disemboweled and poor Holly got disemboweled?
Ew. I was thinking like it's like a barrel of holly.
Oh, right. There's some gnomes in my house. There's some gnomes in my house.
Oh wait, and I got 2 more ornaments today.
Oh yeah, I gotta find Krampus. Christmas Eve here. Not much to report on, like I usually do for the Vlogmas. I'm over at my brother's house, and you know, it's just that 2020 season. Got my sister over here. What are you doing? You wrapping presents?
I'm wrapping presents.
Yeah. I had some pizza. It's all put away. It was put away when I got here. I am wearing my Christmas sweater, as you can see. Now I gotta head down to the Christmas tree, which I do every year, Christmas Eve. Probably gonna go there a little bit after midnight though. I'll see you guys there. There's really not much to report. It's not cold. It's not cold over here, so out here at the tree with Rach.
Hi.
Christmas Eve, no snow. It's actually quite warm. I'm only wearing this hoodie and this and my gloves.
You should show the big puddle that was once an ice rink.
This big puddle right here, yeah. When it's colder, that's the ice rink. And that that's the tree that I come to every year on this day, Christmas Eve. It's got a nice like glow to it. Let's go a little bit closer. Check it out. There's a few people down here right now. Usually there's nobody down here at this time of night on Christmas Eve. The snow kind of muffles the sounds. It was cold a couple days ago. There was a lot of snow, but almost all the snow is melted. Here's the only remains right over here of snow. And there it is. There's the tree. And if we walk around a little bit more, we'll see the nativity set surrounded by the gate right over here. The buildings look awesome at night over here. And I didn't bring my ice skates, not like it would matter.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, we're making some tofu scramble here. We got the tofu seasoned up.
That's onion.
Zucchini. We're also gonna do some
There's a timer going off.
just
I don't know for
I'm gonna throw all this together. We're over at the parents' house and we have a bunch of food for dinner. Let's see what we have. Looks like we got some mashed taters, Mom. What are these? Squash?
Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes. Cranberry for Sister Kel. We got some stuffing.
Okay, this is just what goes with the thing, and I don't know if anybody wants
With the what?
with the roast.
These are the Gardein roasts. And anything else in there or no?
It's out now.
Nope, nothing. You have what?
Tofurkey, I gotta cut.
Tofurkey right there. Tofurkey and Gardein. And there's Katie.
I need to take mine.
So Brian has some good news.
I do?
He's pregnant.
Yeah, you.
I'm pregnant.
After your dinner. So you upgraded your computer and now.
Yeah, so I just needed memory for like a year because my computer was way too slow.
All his memory was gone.
It's all gone. So I just finally got some. And I'm trying to do some editing for some videos we recorded.
More Katie needs a napkin?
Yeah. We'll try it. We have a bunch of videos we never edited. And we did a lot over the summer of COVID. So like we went camping. We did some cool things.
Look at everybody filling their plates with all the goodness. All this Christmas goodness.
This is what Christmas looks like.
Don't touch that. Okay.
Katie, did Santa come?
Do you have a plate,
Yeah.
Katie?
Look at this.
Oh yeah, look at that. Rach, what do you got there? A whole plate?
Here, you need one, Kate?
Still working on it.
Oh, there's Dad with his slippers.
Come on, Bo.
Hi, Dad.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Oh, come on. And here's my little goddaughter. I like the pear. It like, you know, that's a good photo shoot right there with the pear. What's your favorite part?
Tofurkey.
Tofurkey,
As
yeah.
always.
What about you, Rach?
Mary's gravy.
Mary's gravy.
Oh yeah, that is.
Trying to clear off the table.
Merry Christmas, Dad.
Merry Christmas. How are ya? Merry
You got the
Christmas.
white Santa beard going.
As they would say in Italy, Buon Natale e Felice Anno Nuovo.
Wow. So a long time ago, like in the 80s, I was spending the night at my friend Greg's house. And he lives right down well, he used to live right down in town, Chittenango, in this like big brick building. And it was Sunday morning, and his, I think his dad went down to the Lynch's donut store, donut bakery, whatever. And we got donuts, and I love these like kind of like eclairs. And in the middle, they had this like a vanilla cream in it. We were watching The Empire Strikes Back. And you know, at the beginning, they're on Hoth, it's all cold out, and I grabbed my donut, and it just happened perfectly. Perfectly disgusting. Right when the part where Han finds Luke, spoilers, he finds Luke frozen with the Tauntaun died, and then he takes the lightsaber, and right as I bite into this custard donut, he slices open the Tauntaun, and all that same color guts come out as I bit into my donut. And I just thought, did I ever tell you that story?
No.
What do we got here, Katie?
The same shirt.
Oh my God, you got one. Wow, look at that.
It says be good to animals.
Is that from Grammy?
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's cool.
What's wrong?
Do you know that the ET's hand coming down?
Oh, look at her little shoes. They're a little big, right?
Do you know that's a vegan zombie shirt?
Hey, come here.
Yeah.
Charlotte has the shirt.
Oh, she does?
You guys can match.
Oh, nice.
And
Look,
What was
look.
that one?
If you look at the stars, they say the vegan zombie.
Isn't that cool?
You know how old I was when I saw ET? I was 6.
Don't stop, bounce with it. Puppy dog, bounce it in the box like this. Don't stop, bounce with it. You a good little puppy, you don't live on the street. You don't want no money, you want something to eat. Got your own water bowl, you don't need my drink. Bounce it, puppy, bounce it, little puppy, bounce it for me.
just so you know, this is for you.
That's for me?
Yeah.
Let's go inside and open it. I got a present. It says Uncle Chris. And we have some Pooh chocolate. What kind? Hazelnut butter. That's a really good one. And a twofer candy bar. I haven't had this before.
That's for you.
And $20. Thanks, Katie.
Is this gonna pop up when I open it? Cashews. Oh, my favorite nuts. They're jumbo cashews. Jumbo cashews.
Do you
Chris.
have that picture on your camera?
Over here.
Or on your phone of the fashionista? Yeah. Can you send it to me?
The never-ending doggy.
It's freaking
Got the picture with Papa.
That's nice.
Yeah, I know it. It was beautiful. My little girl gave it to me.
Oh, whoa, look at that.
This is pretty awesome. Thank you.
Look at Charlotte.
Here, open.
Kelly, put the knife away. Put the knife down.
Did you cut yourself?
What'd you do?
Are you okay? Let me see your hand.
No, I'm fine. It's not even
I think
bleeding.
she did.
It's not.
What were you thinking?
Give me this knife. You were
I
cut
go, Kelly,
off.
put the knife down. She goes, boom.
No more bourbon for you.
I'm not even drinking.
What do you got, Dad?
My skull pants. Everyone should have some.
Well, we're wrapping up, and I'm about to crash hard because I didn't sleep last night.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh, we had Santa and Waze, and he's like, accident ahead. Ho, ho, oh no.
Oh, no.
Sorry,
Bye, guys.
Bye. Where's your coat? You didn't wear a coat?
I don't need one.
All right, thank you for everything. Bye. Merry Christmas.
All right. Merry
Get some
Christmas.
sleep and be careful going home. Bye.
Thank you.
I guess this is how the video ends. So, hope you guys liked it. Hope to see you guys again next time. Okay, I had to come back down here just because it's snowing tonight, so night number 2 down at the tree. Looks a lot different.